Okay, so I know this isn't Habit yet, so I wanted to do a quick video just to help you get started with your labs so that you don't make any silly mistakes at the beginning. So I got my Word document open, the Lab 2 nom nom nom. Got a project called Lab 2, mine is called Demo, but yours will be called Lab 2 nom nom nom. First thing it tells you to do is to create a new class. Our new class has a main method, so I will create a new class with a main method. And I'm going to call it Practice Problems because that's what my code skeleton says to name it. Practice Problems. So just like in the previous lab, you'll see that there are numbered questions that you have to write code for, and then there is a second part, an app that you'll have to write. And in this one, the app is actually going to be a separate class, so it gives you more instructions to create a new class with this code skeleton to start with. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. New class with main, and I'm going to call it nom nom nom. Okay, so I have both of the classes that I need to do this assignment. Let's start with problem 1 of our practice problems. Open that up. It's always a good idea to put your name on your work. Label your problem with a comment. Problem 1 says to declare an integer variable called apples. So as we learned in the notes, declare an int by saying int and then giving it our name, apples. Next up, problem 2, not 22, just 2. Initialize the integer variable apples to 12. So we need to give it a value of 12. Apples equals 12. Easy enough. Problem 3. Declare an integer variable called oranges and initialize it to 24. We have to do all of this on one line. So now we're demonstrating that we can declare and initialize in one line. Int oranges equals 24. Now I haven't been doing this after each problem, but you probably should. Hit that compile button, make sure you haven't made any mistakes. So far, so good. If I try to run this, you see nothing happens. It's because we don't have any output for our program yet. It's actually doing this stuff, we just can't see anything. Number 4 says to write the code to print the following using the value of the variables, not just the literal text. Let me show you what that means. Problem 4. Here's what I don't want you to do. System.out.println, you have this many apples, 12. That's what I mean by literal text. Sure, if I compile this and run it, it's giving us the output that we want, but it's not actually looking at the variable to determine that I have 12 apples. If I went back in here and said that I have 120 apples and then run this, it still says I have 12 apples because I put literal text in here. I told it to print 12 no matter what. That's not what I want. Let's take that 12 out. Now this label is good. You have this many apples. That's fine. But then after that, let's do another system.out.println. And this time, rather than text, I want to print the value in my variable. Compile, no errors, run it. Okay, you have this many apples, 120. Oops, I should have changed that back to 12. And also, it's not on the same line, so I could fix that by taking this print line into a print, so it'll stay at the end of that line. Compile, run, perfect. To finish question 4, I need to also include a statement about oranges. Don't be afraid to use your keyboard shortcuts and be efficient. Do a copy-paste job. Remember, Control-C copies, Control-V pastes. And so it's very quick to make that adjustment. There we go. So we finished the first 4 problems already. Good luck with the rest of them.